4K रैम था।
4 किलो बाय 8। कितने लोगों ने सही किया?
सर याद करेंगे पता चल जाएगा ना कि हमारा
क्रॉस
सही
हेड की वो लगाए हैं डिकोडर, बाकी अब मुझे नहीं पता सही है ये।
दो लगाए हैं
है।
डिकोडर?
एक 3x8 का लगाया है।
दो
एक से तो नहीं होता था,
एक से नहीं होता था।
या 4x16 लगाना था या 3x8 के।
So you see that we have an address line from A0 to A15, right?
Yes.
So पहला address, the first address that is starting from all zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. Is it right? So at the first stage, we have to interface the 8 kilo of the memory, and then we have to interface the 4 kilo of the memory. तो इसमें एक अच्छी बात ये थी कि the more capacity memory is interface in the first instant, and then you have to be interface the next one. तो ये ज़रा आसान हो जाता है. Otherwise, if you have to interface the first, the low capacity, and then you are going to be interfacing the high capacity memory, तो फिर उसका डिज़ाइन ज़रा मुश्किल होता है ऐसा. So you see that if 8 kilo of the memory, how many address lines you needed to interface the memory? 2 power of 13 is equal to 8 kilo of the memory. Is it right? 2 power of 10 is equal to 1 kilo. 11 is equal to 2 kilo. 12 is equal to 4 kilo. So normally बहुत से लोग इसमें भी confused होते हैं. Is it right? तो 1 kilo से start कर लिया करें, and then you are going to be finding. So you need over there total of the 13 address lines. So this is an A11. We have an A12 over here. So आपको address lines चाहिए from here to here. Is it right? So these are the direct address lines is going to be interfaced with the memory 8 kilo की chip के साथ. So what will be the last address of this? If all are going to be equal to 1, so we have an this, and the rest of the bits are remain same is 0, 0, 0. Now you see that the first address is 0, 0, 0, 0 hex, and we have in the last address is 1 F. That's it. You see that the next one. So this is the interfacing map of the memory 8 kilo by 8 memory. Now the very next address is going to be a 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and you see that we have an over there is said to be a 2000 hex is the first location of the second memory, 4 kilo by 8 memory, and then you have to go to how many address lines are needed to. So we need over there is total of the 12 address lines, right? So starting, so we have an initial address is already all zeros. ठीक है जी. तो लास्ट एड्रेस जो होगा all are equal to 1. So अगर आपके पास ये वाली मेमोरी नीचे होती है ऊपर होती देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, फिर आपको ज़्यादा डिकोडिंग लॉजिक इस्तेमाल करना. So you have an over there the first address आपको सारा zero मिला, that's fine. So the last address of this memory that all are equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So all is, and the rest of the bits are remain same, 0, 1, 0, 0. It is not going to be changed here. So you see that the last address we have an over there is 2 F F F hash. So this is the 4 kilo by 8 memory. Is it okay? Now you see that if you are going to be interfacing, so A0 से A12 to this is fine. तो अगर मैं एक और गेट लगा दूँ, and we have a 1, 2, 3, and over here is said to be is A12, A13, A14, A15. So if all are equal to 0, the output will be, so that would be a chip select of which memory? 8 kilo की memory, so 8 kilo by 8 memory. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And then if you have another OR gate, and 1, 2, 3, and let's suppose I am going to be inverting this. Is it right?
Yes,
So you see that it becomes an A13, A14, and A15. So you see that the output is said to be chip select for the 4 kilo by 8 memory. So the chip will be selected here. Is it right? Chip select हो जाएगी. Is there any problem with this? Is there any problem with this? Is there any problem with this?
बहुत सारा आसान
There is a problem in this.
है ना सर दूसरों वाला तो फिर आगे वो सारा का सारा सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा
जी.
लेकिन 0 0
You see
1
that? मिसाल के तौर पर if A 13, 13, 14 and 15, whenever all are zeros,
ये सिलेक्ट
the
है
row will be selected.
वो तो ठीक है अगले वाले का तो मसला
So you said 0, 0, 1. If 0, 0, 1, अगर आपके पास this is 0, 0, 1, it becomes 1,
यस सर
and 0, 0, 1, it becomes 0. This chip will be
फिर
selected.
स्मॉल क्रॉस वेयर खाली तो नहीं सिलेक्ट होगा उसके नीचे वाली लोकेशन भी तो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी सर आगे की ओवर ऑफ द मेमोरी हम लगाते हैं
ठीक है बस उस पर आते हैं अभी उस पर आते हैं आप रीता सर मैं यही प्रॉब्लम आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. So you see that the first memory have got in a unique addresses, but the second memory doesn't have in a unique address. It have got in a multiple addresses. The second memory is basically is partially decoded. It's not in a fully decoded there. There is a problem in this. क्योंकि मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाह रहा था कि हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी रिजॉल्व. तो अगर आप वी हैव गॉट एज अ सॉल्यूशन एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी डिकोडिंग द बिट नंबर A12 onward for the chip selection as well. A12 के आगे आपको now you see that A12, 13, 14 and 15 A0 to A11 are basically used for the RAM as well. क्योंकि सेकेंड स्टेज के ऊपर लगी हुई है. So you see that we are going to be A12 and A13. If let's suppose I'm going to be using in a 2x4 का decoder, एक arbitrarily कोई number शंबर दे, so we have an over there is said to be decoded there. तो अगर if I'm going to be using over there is an A12 and A13, and let's suppose we have got the sum of the enabling input over there. और मैं ये कह देता हूँ this is an A15 and A14. So it will have a full outputs, and let's suppose all of the outputs are set to be active, low outputs. So in the first A12 and A13, if you examine that for the first memory, it having a combination 0 0 and it goes up to 0 1. So 0 0 is this, 0 1 is this, and you have it over there is an OR gate. It can be used for the chip selection of the first. And then you see that in the next stage is set to be a 1 0 and 1 0. And 1 0 means to be is a third line over here. Is 1 0 and it is directly attached to the chip select of the RAM. 4 kilo by 8 RAM, and we have an 8 kilo by 8 kilo. Now you see that is going to be a completely compatible now. So we don't have a multiple addresses over here. So आप simply इस्तेमाल करें. So you see that we can have an hour. You can use the other logic as well. So you can use a 3x8 decoder as well.
3x8 के साथ कैसे करें?
उसके साथ भी करते हैं. तो 3x8 का ये होगा कि you have an over there. मैं let's suppose I am going to be using A12, A13. And we have an A14. So you see that our एक को मैं as in a chip enable और इसको मैं let's suppose I'm going to be ground this other will all be input. Is it okay? Go permanently ground करते हैं. So you see that we have this logic A12, A13 and A14. So it may have a logic in 0 0 0, 0 0 1. 0 1 0. तो इसमें जो आपके पास combination है उनको और करें and then we are going to be straight. So you see that the first one is starting from we are going to be using these three, right? ये three कर रहे हैं. So 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 again the same is over here. So you say 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 line is going to be all together. इसी तरह इसकी और भी lines होंगी, isn't it? Total of the 8 lines that you output. वही आपका next line is going to be used for the chip selection of the next line. खबर आपको नहीं है? So you see that, so we can interface this memory. So it is basically this.
3 से ज़्यादा फिर नहीं ले सकते डिकोडर के साथ।
बस कुछ लगा दे और चौथा भी लगाएंगे तो क्या?
चौथा लगाएं तो
चौथा क्या
वैसे भी ठीक है।
4/16 का? 4/16 का? Are you talking about the 4/16?
4 पे
नहीं, वो कहना चाह रहा है कि अगर हम जैसे पहले हमने ओपिनियन लिया था 10, 11, 12 को लिया था 3x8 में पहले जब लेक्चर में था 4x8 को जब पहले इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे तो वो कह रहा है कि हम लोग उधर से स्टार्ट करें 10, 11, 12 और 13 की वो ले लें
8, 10 से आप start कर रहे हैं. You want to start with the 8, 10.
Yes, sir.
So
8,
this
10,
is
11,
11,
8, 12,
8, 10,
13.
right?
Yes, sir.
So we can do this. 8, 10, 11, 12. So these both are going to be replicated into the memory chip as well. वहाँ पे भी लगे होंगे.
जी,
So you can do this in a different solutions हो सकते हैं. Or you are going to be using an 8/12. So normally it happens that if we take an bits from जो आपने use कर लिए हैं, then we are going to be.
अगर किसी ने इस तरह किया 10 से कोई
तो वो फिर मुझे आप प्रॉब्लम में डालेंगे ना कि मैं एक को चेक करूँगा तो you see that. So the thing should be more simple rather than we are going to having a complex solution over there.
सर वॉन्ट्स चेक करना क्या पता
Yeah.
रास्ता निकल
ठीक है जी. So you have a multiple solution of this. इसके multiple solutions हो सकते हैं. You can
बस सर आप वर्ड से चेक करना
right?
क्या पता
The next was that एक ऑप्शन ये था कि you just have to be one pin, any one of the pin, you just make it an unconnected with the memory. Memory के साथ unconnected, and what would be happening? ऐसा था. तो अगर हम we stated that a for instance इसको मैं don't care लूँगा. It is an don't care. If this is a don't care, and what would happen that it may have a 0 or it may have a 1 there. अगर ये 0 होगा तो we have an address is 8000 hex. If it is 1, अगर 0 होगा तो ये होगा. And if it is then equal to 1, then what will be the last address here? Then what will be the last address here? If the most significant bit, if let's say 815 is equal to 0, तो फिर तो हमने ये एड्रेस लिखे हुए हैं. And if it is equal to 1, ये भी तो possibility is said to be wrong. It is not connected into the system then, and partially decoded. The scheme is said to be a partially decoded memory chips. So address को हमने partially decode किया. So what will be the next one? It's said to be a 9FFF. Is it okay? And if it is equal to 1, अगर ये 1 होगा, तो what would be the first address here then?
10, 0.
J-
Sorry, A0.
A00X. So you see that we have an A000 hex, and we have a last address over here is said to be AFFF hex. Now you see that this memory have gotten a multiple addresses then. So if you are going to be sending 0000 hex address, so the first register of the ROM is going to be selected. Or if you are going to be initiate the address of 800 hex, again the same procedure, and the first register of the RAM is ROM is going to be selected. Is it right? So there will be no change over here. So it means there are the 4 byte memory because the address are not fully decoded, but it is said to be the partially decoded memory scheme. ठीक है जी. तो ये आपके पास solution था, and you have to identify all of the technical terms in this. Okay. For instance, we want to have some efficient kind of the system, and that is maybe an embedded system, or you are going to be using the microprocessor unit or central processing unit, and you want to have a lesser delays whenever the fetch instruction from the memory is going to be fetch the data from the memory there. तो उसके लिए फिर हमारे पास जो फिनोमिना है इज सेड टू बी, फॉर इंस्टेंस वी सेड टू बी दिस इज अ सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, हमारे पास एक सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट एंड वी हैव नाउ फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ द मेमोरी देयर एंड दिस लेवल इज सेड टू बी cache memory or cache memory, is it right? And we have an over here is said to be other memory, the high capacity memory is said to be the main memory, right? So all in all is now going to be connected with the CPU and the main memory there with the cache there. So इस किस्म का structure होता है. So you see that the CPU will first instant find a word within a cache first, and then it is going to be looked into the main memory. If it doesn't find a word into the cache के अंदर मौजूद नहीं होता, वो फिर next level of the memory पे चला जाता है, and it is going to be retrieve that word or retrieve the instruction from the main memory signal. So we have in that particular procedure as you first said. Normally happens whenever we are going to interface that kind of process. If we are going to be interface the cache with the system, so there are the three methodologies that we adopted here. One is said to be direct mapping scheme, direct mapping. We have, and the other is said to be an associative mapping scheme, associative. And the third is said to be a set associative mapping scheme. So we would like to cover it into the this week. इसके अंदर हम इसको सारा discuss कर लेंगे. So we just have to be concentrate on that particular thing. So today we are going to be discussing the direct mapping scheme. What's happened? The all in all the address is created by the CPU address create करता है and it is given to the memory system को दिया जाता है, and when whatever the word is needed is going to be fetched by that CPU उसको fetch करता है. So the first is going to be described over there is said to be a direct mapping scheme के अंदर हम इसको represent करें. थोड़ी सी मैं आपको structure को बताना चाहूँगा. So you see that the main memory is a huge memory as compared to the cache. So basically the main memory have got divided into a small subunits, and this is said to be the block. For instance, this is said to be block 0, and it have got a number of the bytes or number of the words within that block. In block के अंदर we have, and the other, so we have a number of the blocks associated with there. Is said to be मिसाल के तौर पे ये कहीं पे K है, for instance, we have the number of the blocks, and the final block is going to be represented over here, and this is said to be P N, for instance. So you see that we have a number of the blocks is over there, and it have a number of the words, a number of the bytes here. And you see that that is the main memory. ये आपके पास main memory है, the main memory. And over here we have the other intermediate memory is said to be a cache memory. Again, it is going to be divided into blocks. उसके अंदर भी blocks हैं, and we have enough blocks here. And so the block of the cache memory के जो blocks हैं, these are caches to be इसको कहा जाता है lines rather than a block. So we have now lines are lesser than the blocks of the main memory. So we have gotten a few lines within a cache, and the capacity of each line is equal to capacity of the block into the main memory. Is it? ठीक है जी. And associated with that cache we have one other thing is said to be the tag. इसको हम tag कहते हैं. Along with this is a portion of the address. ठीक है जी. We have a tag, और इसको हम our bits basically is said to be a tag bits, and that tag bits is said to be S minus R bits. These are the S minus R bits. S plus W bits is the complete address. ये आपके पास complete address है. So basically we have got the address field, यहाँ के पास address field है, and it have got the three portions, इसके तीन portions हैं. The one portion is said to be over here is the S bits, हम इसको S bits कहते हैं, and this portion is said to be our W bits. W bits, S bits and W bits. Now you see that the S bits are further divided into two categories. One is said to be the R bits, and this is said to be S minus R bits. This portion of the address is said to be the tag. इसको हम tag कहते हैं. And R bits are going to be representing the line number of the cache memory. Cache memory के line number को identify करता है. Is it okay? And W bits are going to be representing each word, individual word within the block के अंदर. So let's suppose if this is the phenomena, each block is composed upon the 4 bytes, and this is said to be a byte addressable register slave. Byte addressable register. So how many bits are needed to identify a single byte within the block? Block के अंदर अगर एक byte को आपने address करना है तो W bits कितने होने चाहिए? जी? You see that we have a total of the 4 bytes of 4 words within a block. हम block तक पहुंच गए हैं. And we want to identify a word
16 bit.
within that block. इस block के अंदर word को represent करते हैं. How many bits are needed to identify? 2 bits. So you see that 2 power of 2 is equal to 4. So it may have a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is the address here. So you can find any particular byte or word within that particular block. उस block के अंदर आप represent कर सकते हैं. So this is the basic structure. ये आपके पास basic structure. So you see that whenever the address is initiated, it is initiated from the microprocessor or the CPU unit, that R bits are going to be presented to the cache. Cache को present किया जाता है. And you see that whenever it is going to, so one of the line of the cache is going to be represented. तो ये आपके पास कितने bits हैं? R bits. And R bits is going to be identify the line number. Line number को identify करता है. ठीक है जी, rather than you are going to have an access to the main memory, basically in the first instance the R bits are going to be presented to the cache memory. Cache memory को identify किया जाता है. Now you see that at the second instant, what happened? The bits of tag, which is already stored within the cache, is now presented to the one of the unit there, and this unit is said to be comparator to the other. This is a comparator, and this is an equal number of bits stored that is represented over here in the generated address, and that is reserved for the tag over tag के लिए represented. So you see that, for instance, we have an 00 hex a tag is generated. और फिर ये कोई भी आपके पास लाइन नंबर है, तो लाइन नंबर सिलेक्ट हुआ, उस लाइन से whatever is the content of the tag is basically presented to the comparator. और अगर वो भी 00 hex है, so it's been compared, so there may be an output there. एक output आपके पास, if this output is 0, अगर 0 है, so it means to be this is a logic that is going to be represented as a missed in cache. The word is not present in the cache basically. अगर ये comparator 0 को generate करता है, if that comparator is going to be generating 1, so this is said to be hit in cache. Hit in cache. The word is present within a cache. Cache के अंदर मौजूद है, and it readily presented to the CPU. CPU को date किया जाता है. So if it is 1 in cache, so it means to be it is the W bits along with this is now going to be finding a word within a cache. Cache के अंदर find कर लेगा, and then it is going to be presented to the CPU to present to that. But if let's suppose it is not found, कब found नहीं होगा जी? नहीं, कैसे पता लगेगा कैशे के अंदर नहीं है? हाँ?
Zero to miss.
The tag is not going to be matched with the generated message. जो tag stored है within the cache के अंदर, cache के अंदर, that tag is going to be compared with the generating tag के साथ compare होगा. So if it is 0, it is means to be it is missed in cache. Cache के अंदर miss हो गया, मौजूद नहीं है. It goes to the main memory. Main memory के अंदर जाएगा. The S plus W bits is now identifying the one of the block into the main memory. Main memory के अंदर एक block को represent करेगा. So you see that we have an over there. The 2 is said to be is missed in cache, and this is S plus W bits presented to the main memory. And whatever is a block is selected is now loaded into the cache to the corresponding line के अंदर जाएगा, and then it is whatever the word is directly presented to the CPU को दे दिया जाएगा. So you see that this is the basic structure that is being represented or interfacing of the main memory cache with the CPU system. So first of all, the CPU will find a word within a cache. If it doesn't find it, it goes to the main memory and will move the block from the main memory into the cache, and then it is going to be represented to the main memory. Main memory को represent किया. So this all in all is said to be the direct mapping scheme. अब थोड़ा सा हम एड्रेस की बात कर लेते हैं. This is the address. Again, we have a W bits, we have an R bits, and we have an S minus R bits. And we want to proceed it or understand it by using some number of the address lines taken there, right? मिसाल के तौर पे, if we have a main memory capacity की बात करते हैं, main memory capacity. Let's suppose it is 16 megabyte, and byte level addressing is there. So if it having a 16 megabyte, how many address lines we need to identify a single register within the main memory? कितनी आपको address lines की जरूरत है? If the capacity is a 16 megabyte. So how many bits you needed? S plus W bits. How many? So you see that 16 to 2 power of 20 is equal to 1 mega of the memory. 2 power 21 is equal to 2 mega of the memory. 2 power 22 is equal to 4 mega. 2 power 23 is equal to 8 mega. And then we have 2 power 24 is equal to 16 mega. For 16 mega, S plus W that should be our 24 bits. आगे बात 24 bits. Is it okay? So you see that the all in all is said to be as 24 bits. For instance, each particular block is composed upon the 2 bits. Block address क्या है? वो 2 bits का है. 2 bits का है? Because we have got 4 words within the block. Is it right? अगर मैं इसको 2 bits कर दूँ, is it okay? And the rest is now said to be 22 bits. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24 bits. For instance, we stated that R is 14. चलिए मिसाल के तौर पे 14 bits. So if it is 14, so what that 14 identify? ये 14 क्या identify कर रहा है? Will identify the number of the lines within the cache memory. It will identify the number of the lines. So समझ आ रही है इसको? Because it's said to be a line bits. किसी line को select करने के लिए वो है So 2 power of 14 यानी 2 power of 10 is equal to 1 kilo. 2 power 11 is equal to 2 kilo. We have 12 is equal to 4 kilo. 13 is equal to 8 kilo. And we have 2 power of 14 is equal to 16 kilo of the lines present within the cache. So ये 14 हो गया. How many left here then? 8. So you see that 8, 10 and 14 is said to be a 24. So total of 24 address lines are here to identify the cache line, or you are going to be identifying the main memory block and the word here. So you see that हमारे पास ये सारी phenomena मौजूद है. अब देखिए मिसाल के तौर पे हम कोई कॉम्बिनेशन ले लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव एन 0 0 0 0. ये एड्रेस जनरेट हुआ. हाउ मेनी बिट्स आर देयर? टोटल ऑफ 24. Or you see that this portion is said to be the tag. We have, and this portion is said to be the line number, and the last two bits are representing the one of the byte within the block के अंदर या line के अंदर अगर ये present हुआ है. So you see that सबसे पहले that line number is presented to the cache memory. Cache memory को represent हुआ. So line number 0 is this. Is it right? Line number 0. और इसके अंदर 00 हेक्स टैग पड़ा हुआ है. ये क्यों पड़ा होगा इसके अंदर? It means to be that block is already fetched previously within that line. इस लाइन के अंदर मौजूद है, पहले से मौजूद. तो इसका मतलब है कि पहले ये टैग क्रिएट हो चुका है, and that tag is being moved to the line number 0 को आ चुका है. So you see that that 00 is over here already. So line number 0 is selected. The tag is 00 hex. That 00 hex is given to the comparator. जिसके अंदर stored है. और यहाँ पे क्या जनरेट हुआ है? 00 hex to be compared. It is said to be hidden cache. Hidden cache. So what's happened? The W bits presented there, and a particular word is now going to be moved towards the CPU. CPU को दे दिया जाएगा. तो आपका जो W बिट्स है वो दोनों 00 हैं. So it's being presented to the CPU. CPU को present हो जाएगा. Is it okay? So the phenomena is this. For instance, अगर हम कहें कि can you have a different logic here? मिसाल के तौर पे अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि we have a 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now, if this address is generated, तो आपका टैग तो मैच करता है. पहले वाला और दूसरे वाला का टैग एक जैसा है.
Yes, sir.
We have the same, but what's the difference?
Lines matching.
Line is different. It means to be the very next line is selected. तो उसके टैग में शायद ये ना पड़े. Is it okay? तो उसके टैग में भी अगर 00 होगा तो it means to be line is selected, and that is said to be hidden cache. So it means to be we have a one line. अब इसकी जगह अगर मैं कोई और लॉजिक लिखूँ, for instance I said to be, इसको मैं 0 ही रखता हूँ, and we stated that this is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now what's the difference then?
A tag different.
Now the tag is become different, but the line number is remains same. Line number is remains same. What would happen that tag के कितने logics हो सकते हैं? It may have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and this is 0 0 0 0. Is it okay? Now you see that the line number is not changed, but the tags are only changed. इसका मतलब है how many blocks of the main memory has been mapped to a single line. मेरा क्वेश्चन समझ है? How many of the main memory block has been mapped to the single line? एक लाइन को कितने मैप हुआ? देखिए ना, लाइन नंबर तो नहीं चेंज हुआ. लाइन नंबर इज सेड टू बी दिस लाइन. दिस इज अ लाइन. Only you see that if the tag is all zero, तो ये वाला if a tag is all zero, the line is not going to be changed. आप कह जाएं तो 000 का जो tag है उसका ब्लॉक जो है वो इधर मैप है. Then we have a tag is said to be a 01 hex का tag is now going to be mapped to the same. Then 01 का tag is now going to be, and up to an FF hex, all of the tags are going to be mapped to the same line, एक ही line. So one line is now going to be mapped with the how many blocks? 256. Because the tags जो है वो देखें ना, आपका 00 से tags जो है is going to be very up to an FF hex. और बाकी आपका रेस्ट सारा से यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. Is it okay? So you see that the line number is not changed, only the tag is changed. It means to be 256 block of the main memory has been mapped to a single line.
Line.
Is it okay? So any one of the block can reside to this particular line out of that. इतने में से कोई एक ब्लॉक यहाँ पड़ा होगा. So whenever the address is generated, it will count it will check the tag over here. तो अगर वो मिल जाएगा तो it means कि वही ब्लॉक यहाँ पे पड़ा जो उसको जरूरत है. Are you getting this point? So you see that it happens like this. So 00 hex up to an FF hex, 00 से लेके FF hex तक ये होगा phenomena. Is it okay? तो इसका मतलब है इसका मतलब है कि लाइन नंबर 0 को block number 0 map, and after an m blocks, number m is going to be mapped again. Then after 2 m blocks, the block is assigned to the last is, and it will be goes up to n 256 over here. 2m, then 3m, यानी कि हर एक rotation के बाद is one of the block is going to be mapped to. ये क्यों? Because we have got a huge main memory, but we have a very lesser cache memory. तो क्या होता है कि वहाँ से ब्लॉक होते हैं यहाँ पे. मिसाल के तौर पे, if the first address is address of the instruction that is stored over here. यहाँ पे stored है. So this is going to be mapped to line 0 of the cache. And the next instruction is stored at this location. The next instruction, जो जाहिर है एक इंस्ट्रक्शन उठाएगा तो नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑन द नेक्स्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन के ऊपर पड़ी हुई है. तो इज देयर एनी चेंज ऑफ द लाइन नंबर इन द सेकंड कॉम्बिनेशन? लाइन नंबर चेंज हो रहा है उसके जो सेकंड कॉम्बिनेशन है, हो रहा है कि नहीं? हो रहा है कि नहीं? हाँ,
तो ये लाइन नंबर हम 14 बिट्स में उसमें से देखेंगे लास्ट टू में भी.
मैं तो पूरा एड्रेस लिख रहा हूँ 24 बिट्स का. 24 बिट्स का
नहीं, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि
क्या चीज़?
खाली 14 बिट्स में ये लास्ट में
ये तो वर्ड है ना, विद इन अ लाइन. फिर नहीं चाहिए. It is not going to be changed there. The line number is remain same.
Word change.
Word change हो गया. The next instruction let it place and onto the next memory location. तो वो भी already इधर पड़ा. तो hit in cache. तो पहला उसने सारा का सारा ब्लॉक मूव किया. So whenever it is going to be executed, the first word fetch and execute. The second word execute. Third and fourth. तो जब fifth पे आएगा तो is going to be changed there. So then the line number will change. Is it okay? तो ये आपका फिनोमिना है. So you see that this is still a line 0.
Yes.
We have an, अगर ये 2 हो जाएगा, then it is still line 0. If it is 3, it is still line 0. But whenever it becomes 4, then it is said to be a line 1.
Line 1.
ठीक है जी, लेकिन देखिए द टैग इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी चेंज, टैग इज रिमेन सेम। तो लेकिन लाइन चेंज हो गई, सो व्हाट्स हैपेंड, द फर्स्ट लाइन इज नाउ डीसेलेक्ट एंड इफ विल सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन को देखेगा फॉर द लोकेशन नंबर 4 and it will match the tag if it is present over here, so it means to be, so next जो है, तो you see that the first line will hold the content of the first block, the second line is now going to be hold the content of the second block, यानी B0 and then B1 and up to so on। तो इस पहले सारे यानी इसी तरतीब के सारे is now going to be hold। It may happen that कि जब आप इस पूरी ब्लॉक से निकल जाते हैं and the tag is changed now, यानी M ब्लॉक से आप निकल गए and you have a tag is changed है, लेकिन M जो है that is equal to 2 power R के बराबर होता है, 2 power R के बराबर है। So you see that कि पूरे आप इससे निकले जाएंगे। So the next block कब आएगा, 0 when I will all the most significant will have like this and that all becomes 1, the next one is said to be the next location, is it okay? So वो 0 0 से 0 1 हो जाएगा। So you see that it is now going to be after covering all the M locations there, and M location are said to be पूरी आप lines को cover करेंगे, is said to be a cyclic pair then, and then you are going to be identified। तो आपके पास यहाँ पे फिर आप फर्स्ट लाइन पे आ जाएंगे, 0 लाइन के ऊपर आ जाएंगे and then you are going to be stored the new tag there and this is said to be a 0 1। तो next time अगर आपको ज़रूरत होगी तो you see that it will check that कि whether the tag is 0 0 or 0 1। तो 0 1 इसके अंदर मौजूद है, so it's said to be hit in cache again, otherwise it's said to be missed in cache, is it okay? So that all in all the procedure is going to be represented the interfacing of the cache memory by using the direct mapping scheme। इसको हम direct mapping scheme कहते हैं। And जी इसको बंद करो। So we have and that tag is already stored here। So whenever the address is created, so first of all the line bits will identify, line bits जो हैं that will identify a line within the cache rather than going to the main memory। So what's happened, that cache line and the second instant, because we have a complete address is a 24-bit rather than we have only a line number there। So because that line number holds 256 of the blocks into the main memory, तो क्या जो processor को जो चाहिए, is it reside within that cache line or not? Because it is mapped to a multiple number of the blocks of the main memory, so that it checks it by using the comparison of the tag with the originated tag। Stored tag, originated tag के दरमियान में comparison है, whenever it is hidden cache means to be the word is readily available here and it is now going to be fetches to the CPU को fetch कर दिया जाएगा। If it is not available, it goes to the, it is missed in cache, it goes to the main memory and the corresponding block is moved to the cache, cache को move कर दिया जाता है and then it is going to be और साथ साथ वो CPU को move कर दिया जाता है। So this is the main phenomenon here। यहाँ के बाद main phenomenon। This is the first address of a 24 bits। This is the second, third, fourth, यानी कि 0 1 2 3 and then you get line number is changed, is it okay?
Yes sir।
Now you see that keep the line number constant and you just change the tag। So tag is 8-bit, it means it may be a different phenomena। आप tag को 9 bits भी रख सकते हैं, 7 bits भी रखते हैं, 6 bits भी रख सकते हैं। It depend upon the capacity of the cache, depend upon the capacity of the main memory। तो आप ये कर सकते हैं। You see that one cache line has been mapped with the 256 of the block of the main memory। So definitely you have to check the tag, otherwise you cannot say। तो उससे हम उसको मूव करते हैं and then it is going to be executed। Let's go. Thank you very much।